When you come into our firm, depending exactly upon what your needs are, you'll either meet with one of our trained attorneys or occasionally with a trained paralegal. We have an initial meeting. We ask you to fill out a relatively rudimentary questionnaire. Then we sit down. We first try and listen to what it is that you have to say. As I frequently say, once an attorney gets wound up and starts talking, there's no shutting them up. So we like to listen to you first. After the initial meeting, if you decide to retain us, we will usually give you a little homework assignment to refine exactly what it is, what we need from you. You'll come in for a design meeting, and at that time, you and the attorney will work out in great detail exactly what your plan needs to be. We'll go ahead, we'll draft documents, we'll send you drafts. You come back in, you'll sign the drafts as well. One thing we do considerably different than other law firms, when you're in law school, one of the questions that they pose to you is, what do you do if somebody spends thousands of dollars doing an estate plan? They sign an estate plan, they walk out, and the next day the law changes. What's your duty to call them back in? Most law firms handle that by contract, and they basically say, once you've signed the documents and you walk out the door, our obligation to you is over. We take the opposite tact. We have a continuation program where we agree to follow up with you. If something changes with either your family or with the law, if it changes in the law, then we will affirmatively notify you and invite you back into our firm. Another difference between us and other law firms is that we make sure everyone involved in your plan is educated. It's not enough for you to come in and name agents under a power of attorney and executors and co-trustees. We like to talk to those people and give them some instruction. That's very important. You can have the greatest plan in the world, but if the people who are going to implement that plan for you have no idea what's going on or how it exists, then it's useless.